Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have a car cover. We're gonna try this on my car. It might be interesting and difficult to do since I have a dog tied onto the roof, sort of. Open this thing up. Here's the information about it. It says it's by AltoCover, where strength meets style. So there, that's what it looks like there. And open this up. I love when things are taped and plastic as well. It's challenging to open sometimes. So here's our bag. Nice big bag. It's definitely bigger than the thing in it. So there's that. And then this is the cover. Let's see how this is going up. It's big, and the straps on it and everything else. So let's see, I don't know if there's a front and a back. Does it say front and back? One side. Let's see the other side. I don't know. We're just gonna try to put it on and see what happens. I'm gonna try to put this on. Let's see how it goes. I've got the back of the car back there, and it kind of goes down pretty far, not all the way, because I have a roof rack on my car, and that's what's making it stick up a bit, and I'm also charging it on the other side. But it totally fits. I mean, the mirrors fit inside of the mirror place here. The bungee fits over the front and everything like that. I spent all of about 2 minutes putting it on, so you saw it was super easy. You can see back there the charger is kind of making it puff out a little bit. So if I took that off, everything would cinch down a bit better. It's gonna be good in wind, in snow, in rain, in anything. It's got a nice like plastic kind of feel, and on the inside you saw it had that white kind of softer thing for it. And it's got the straps. You can see down there some straps, so you can strap it into the car to hold it on for the wind and everything like that. So it's really good. So it's a nice car cover. Fits my Tesla Model Y perfectly. So thumbs up for sure on this one. Why did it stop fucking recording?